Doing a walkthrough on this Quasar camcorder. Comes with a battery and a charger. Battery charged for about 10 minutes. It does seem to be holding a charge. There's a tape in it. Old tape. Playing. We're going to stop, rewind. Stop. Now that's recording whatever it is over there. Let's hit the record button. It is recording. Very clean picture. Lighting's bad. Okay, we're gonna hit the rewind just for a smidgen. See if we can watch what I just recorded. That's the slow rewind. If you hit rewind while it's on play, it'll slow rewind.
You got some more left.
Stop. Battery just died. Alright, so it's working as it should. Battery probably won't hold a charge. Battery's probably older than you are. But it holds a charge for a minute. Everything works. Get a case. Thing to stick around your neck. I'll throw in the transfer cable. How you transfer. Audio, video out. So here's the transfer cable. Just plug that into there. Plug that into your TV. Or if you want to upload to your computer, you can get an adapter that takes all three of these and puts it onto a USB jack. What's good about this, which you may not get this, you'll probably get one that just has one audio and one video. This is my shop cable. You don't get this. You'll get a regular cable. Anyways, what you will probably need from here, you can plug straight into the camcorder. Right there. It is a 6-volt cord. If you can't find it, I'll get you a link. But it goes from there to there, and you power this camera so you can transfer your videos without a battery. If you're going to create videos, buy 2 or 3 batteries. You get a good deal if you buy 3. You can usually get 3 for around $33.